Hey guys, what's going on? MWC here. So today is my time to unbox a brand new but old stock original Spigen for Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the case. As you can see, this is the price, just RM3 only. As you can see, JJJ is like jalan-jalan Jepun in Malay. JJJ is like a pre-loved stuff, or known as second-hand shop. It's like that. So here's my phone, Galaxy S7 Edge. Now let's unbox. So this is the case. Wow, it's still clean. The rubber still fine. Side. As you can see, this is genuine Spigen. This is genuine logo, as you can see. And another one is, let's take out this plastic white color. This is the inside, Spigen. And also, how to spot a genuine Spigen, you got this sticker. Very nice. Something you want? Yes, this is what I want for my S7 Edge. So my style is to install or remove the case from the phone, take out the white plastic in the center, from the top, slide up, below one, just click it, and the last one, install the plastic white color in the center. This is what I want. Done. Very nice. Wow, it feels a bit heavy and solid. Wow, nice. This is for the stand. If you want to watch a video, very simple, just like this. No need tripod or so on. Very simple. Very big size on the side. Wow, slim armor. This is called hard case. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this old but brand new stock Spigen armor in the comment below. So this is all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.